I'm heading up there. I may have shown you drone footage already of what's up there. I think I'm gonna go up the wash and then cut across. It's just behind that tree right up in the middle. So it's not super far, but it's uphill. So we'll see what we find as we get going. All right. So I'm up here at Grape Creek Wilderness again. Today I did a mad scramble up a mountain side to find this waste rock pile. I might have shown you the drone footage already. If not, I mean, it'll be right here. Somewhere down there I was standing. There's another spot right over there. Shaft goes in probably 15-20 feet at a slight angle. And there used to be a trail going up this canyon, but the cattle from when whoever was running cows up here, but they quit doing that last year. Wasn't anybody up here, so no trail at all. Bushwhacked the whole way. We'll get over to that soon enough. All right, well, let's go check this out and see what we got. This is what I've been coming up here to find. And I've looked up here 20 some odd times. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna make it up to that. And yeah, I flew the drone and I kind of had to once I saw it was a hole. Well, let's go find out what's in the hole. Of course, I left all my rope at the bottom. Why would I need it? Why would I need it? Oh, all right. Well, that answers that. Let's see what goes around the corner at all. No, that's the end of it. That's all it is. Just came and got the sulfides out of this hole, and that was it. Huh. These ones that are hard to get to seem not to go anywhere. So I guess we're gonna have to get away from all the flies. Lots of flies. Lord of the flies. And crap. We'll meet back up down there somewhere. Or this is the end of the video and I just leave and go home. It's only like 4, so it's not too bad. Technically light start to the day. We'll go over and check that out next.